ladies, and welcome back to my channel. For today's wrap, I'm going to show you the wrap I put on the days that I wash my hair. So today I've gone ahead and washed my hair. I have it in this just to keep it off my back because it's a little wet. But on the days I wash my hair, I don't like to wear shapers or the headbands or anything like that because it holds the moisture in and irritates my scalp. My scalp gets really itchy. So I just wash my hair and comb it out and do all the normal hair care products and stuff. Then I just use a square scarf and wrap it up in an old-fashioned style. This style has probably been around for forever. Ever since people started wrapping their hair, this style has probably been around. So it's not something that's particular to me. Everybody wears this style, or everybody can wear this style. It's probably everybody has worn this style. So I've worn it in the past week. I've worn it with this green scarf, nice square, and this peachy neutral color. But today I'm wearing my Guinness top, so I'm going to be tying it with the green. I started out by folding the scarf just about in half. I've left just a little tiny portion at the end. It's not exactly in half. So let me take this off because I don't blow dry my hair. My hair is just too long. It takes too much energy. I let it dry naturally, but when I put it up, I don't put pins in it either. So I just grab it into a ponytail and then I wrap around like so, twist it a little bit and wrap it around. And then, of course, if I held my head up like this, my hair would fall back down my back, but I don't want that, so I'm leaning forward. I'm grabbing the scarf right dead center and I'm placing it on my head. Now I have the piece in front of my face and then the two tails. I'm bringing the two long tails up, crossing them over, and giving a good tie. Now, I like to have it back just a little bit on these days, just because most of the time my wraps sit at hairline or slightly in front of the hairline. I'm pushing this back so you don't have to stare at me through the dangling part of the scarf. Now I'm going to adjust this. I personally love the little fringy pieces on this scarf. The raw edges kind of are pleasing to me, so I don't necessarily feel the need to hide them away. If you do, just fold the scarf so that they are hidden. Okay, so I laid this one flat, brought it around the back, and I'm holding it here. I'm going to take this side and do the same thing. Just bring it around. Now, when I get to here, I can tuck it at the bottom or at the top. I'm choosing because I think it wrapped so that it would tuck better from the bottom. I'm just going to tuck it away, like so. Now this piece is the fun piece. You can create the big floof in the front. You can make it as big as you like, tall. You can make it as wide. It's all up to you. You can make it, I think last time I wrapped this, I made it asymmetrical. I made one side really tall and the other one sort of more it's not sort of. I made the one smaller, the one larger. So it's all up to you, but it's the same thing either way. Just open up the tail, open up the piece here, flip it back, kind of roll it under just a bit, and you can have it the same height, really fluffy and floofy in the front, like so, or you could do a little off and have it more wedge shaped. Either way, I think I'm just going to do this way. No pins are needed. This stays on my head all day long. I think it was it Sunday, Saturday, Sunday? I can't remember. I wore it the entire day. I put it on my head, and that I hadn't even washed my hair. I was going out into the garden and just playing around in the garden, so I tied it on my head like this, and it lasted the entire day with no headbands and no other types of shapers or anything else. It hung on, and I was digging and doing all kinds of fun stuff out in the garden. Now I think the key is it's has a texture to the weave. It's not a silky square. If I were to grab one of the silk squares, it would probably not hold on to this without some type of headband, you know, one of the velvet headbands or something. But don't put silk on wet hair anyway, so it gets all splotchy. But I got it's a nice texture to the cotton. So okay, I'm ready to get my day started. So I hope you ladies have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.